Oh!
Yeah, just bite the mouth.
It's a good strategy.
It's hitting you there.
Yeah, in the eyes.
The bird keeps pecking the snake's eyes. He's been caught in the open. With nowhere to run from the bird. This bird is relentless. It's mistaken the tail for the snake's head.
It's going for the tail.
But this does not stop the attacks.
Up, there goes one eye.
The bird has just ripped an eye out.
Are you looking, bud?
No, I can't watch.
Sometimes the prey species wins, not the predator.
What type of snake is it?
Can't really tell from here. It's either, I think it's a boomslang, might be an olive grass snake. And that's the bird's orange-breasted scrub robin. It's also called the air hostess bird because the call it makes is it's like coffee tea or me, coffee tea or me.
It's the stewardess bird.
Yeah.